Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a CN train. Yeah, baby. From here atop the bridge at the Des Sources overpass, and oh my god, look at that snow-covered train cars. Look at that. That's what I came here for. Oh wow, what's that? Not sure what that is. That's Des Sources Boulevard there. Not sure what that was on the. It was a flat car or a modified passenger car somehow. Weed spraying car maybe. I don't know. We'll see. This train's headed west and it's short. It's a short one. Oh my god, that's a really short one. Yeah, the one I got earlier down on Donegany Street was a little longer, but now you can see what's coming up and what's in the area. There's Highway 20 and there's the CN and CP tracks, and that's the bridge there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And maybe I didn't mention it, it's the 17th of December 2022 around 4 o'clock p.m. Have a good day.